Luke Darnell here. We're going to show you how to make the perfect spicy sauteed shrimp on the Traeger Flat Rock. Let's go. All right, let's get started here. First off, some olive oil onto the flat top, and then we're going to put in our butter. This is going to help make the paste that we're going to make here with the tomatoes and the vegetables. So we'll get this going on the flat top, the flat rock, the Traeger Flat Rock. A very awesome piece of equipment. The cooktop on this is so substantial that it really is a lot. So we're going to get our tomatoes going. This is going to provide the basis for our sauce. Add in some garlic, get that going all nice, mix that together. Next we're going to mix in our smoked paprika, and then we're going to follow that up with our ancho chili powder. This is going to provide the seasoning that we have going here for this delicious sauteed shrimp dish. Takes very few minutes to make. Shrimp cook fast. We're going to get this cooked down. Now we're going to add our serrano peppers for a little heat. You don't need a lot of them. And then we continue to just hash this up and make a paste. What we're doing right now is breaking down the tomatoes, mixing all those flavors together, and getting into basically a nice thick sauce for our shrimp, which will cook in the sauce directly on the flat rock. Also, make sure that you pop over to our friend Jason Hardy's channel, Elite Barbecue Smokers, to see an amazing stuffed shrimp recipe. This usually takes about between 8 to 10 minutes. Just keep moving it around on the flat top, on the flat rock, just to get those tomatoes to break down. We're looking to get this to a jammy consistency that you see right here. Next up, we add our shrimp. These are tiger shrimp, pretty big. We try to do close to 3 pounds with the amount of sauce that we have here. And then we just incorporate the sauce in that all the time, cooking the shrimp directly on the Traeger Flat Rock. This provides a lot of flavor that gets into the shrimp immediately. And as you can see, they start to take on that pink color. We're going to get them done, but we're also going to do a little step here to make sure we cook our shrimp all the way through. There's nothing worse than a raw, gummy shrimp. So we'll continue to mix these flavors together and get them exactly where we need to be. Next up, we add a little citrus lime pop. We cut 2 limes in half and squeeze the juice out. This really brightens up the dish. It's very spicy at this point. This adds a little zing to it, brings all of those flavors together. So we've added our salt, our fat, our acid, and our heat. And now we're going to get ready to mix this in together a little more. Just making sure we get all of our shrimp done on every side. Make sure they're completely cooked through. This helps. You just keep moving it around. Next up, we're going to pull our shrimp up towards the front of the grill a little bit. And that way we can get ready to use another tool that is really fantastic on these Traeger Flat Rocks, and that's our steamer. I'm going to cover this up for a little bit and really add some heat to the shrimp. After about 2 minutes, our shrimp are completely cooked. Just going to move them around here, give them a little check, continue to incorporate that sauce all the way through the shrimp. It's a really tasty dish. The acid from the lime juice really cuts down on the heat a little bit. It really brings everything together. And we're getting ready to plate this up. Give one a little check here, cut her open just to make sure that we're right. Looks good. Now we're going to get it into a serving bowl. Then to finish it off here, and to add a little pop of color for presentation, we're going to throw in some chopped green scallions. Get those in there. Usually do about 4 or 5. Chop them up into a small dice, then mix it all together with a spoon. It really adds a little crunch, adds a little vibrancy throughout the dish, and it looks really cool. So there's our finished dish, a spicy sautéed shrimp on the Traeger flat rock. You can see that it has a nice thick sauce with some crunchy green onions, green scallions in there to really bring home the dish. This is easy to make, can be done in 10 minutes, can be done in front of a crowd, and is sure to set the place up for a fantastic dinner to follow. So please, also speaking of following, follow the Old Virginia Smoke YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and we look forward to seeing you with more content in the future.